Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to set up desktop alerts in ClickUp so you never miss a deadline or an overdue task again. Let's jump right in. First, open ClickUp in your browser or desktop app. Head to the top right corner and click on your profile icon to open the account menu. From there, select Settings. Keep in mind these changes are personal and only affect your account. Once you're in Settings, look for the Notifications section in the sidebar or the main list. Click it to view all your alert options. Now, locate the Desktop Notifications toggle. Switch it to On. This allows alerts to pop up even when ClickUp isn't your active window. If your browser or OS asks for permission, make sure to click Allow or Approve to complete the connection. To make sure you're alerted for overdue tasks, scroll through the notification preferences. You can fine-tune exactly what triggers an alert, like task assignments, due date changes, or comments, to ensure you're only getting the updates you actually need. If alerts aren't showing up, double-check your system-level notification settings to ensure ClickUp has permission, and verify that the desktop notifications toggle stayed enabled. And that's it. You're all set to stay on top of your tasks. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.